We'll guide you through how to fix Wi-Fi connected but no internet on Windows 11 or 10. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This can be frustrating because you're wanting to go and use the internet, but you can't. So we're going to guide you through some different things you can try doing. What you need to do is you want to go first of all and press on search at the bottom and type in device manager like so and go and click on it like so. Wait for this to open. And then what you need to do is when it loads is you need to go and find network adapters, come down and here it is, press the arrow to the left to expand it. Find your Wi-Fi adapter. This is going to be called something like wireless LAN card or something like this, and it have Wi-Fi in probably. This is mine here. Right click on it and press disable device and you can confirm the decision and wait for it to load. And then you want to go and right click on it again and go and enable it. When this comes back on, give it a chance to go and reconnect to the Wi-Fi, and then you can go and see if it's now working. Now, we're going to go and just keep this open and minimize it for now. You want to go and press search at the bottom and type in CMD. Then you can go and right click on it and press run as administrator. Press yes. You need to go and type in net SH space WINSOCK space reset. Press enter. Then you want to type in NETSH space INT space IP space reset. Press enter. And then what you can do is you want to come and open up device manager again, and you want to go and find your card. Right click and you can press uninstall device and go and press uninstall. Wait for it to complete, and then what you can do is go and press the Windows start button at the bottom and press the power button to the right, and you can then go and press restart. Wait for it to come back on. You can reconnect to the Wi-Fi and it will hopefully then be working.